Antonio, hey, how's it going? Yeah, Fabio. Who doesn't know Fabio? Yeah, Exhaust, I know. He's got a crazy car collection. Let's do it. I appreciate it. Yeah, World's Management, we're going to get this dialed. We're going to hook Fabio up. Yep, we'll see you there.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
All right, got the IPE exhaust. This is going on the 991 GT3RS. This is titanium muffler, stainless steel, high flow headers. Titanium, weighs nothing. Look at those heat shields around the valves. That's different. Weighs nothing.
I know. I had one of my other 993, the 19 one.
Yeah.
I know, with nothing. Titanium. Titanium?
I like even they did the shields around the valves.
Oh, that's necessary. They will.
Yeah. Stainless headers, high flow cats. 2 headers. That looks good. Red IPE logo, matte carbon fiber too. All right, we are here at Pirelli P0 World in California, and we have Fabio's GT3RS up on the lift. We're gonna be installing the IPE titanium catback exhausts with those high flow headers. So, gotta get this exhaust pulled off, get the new one on there, and we'll rip it around, see how it sounds. We're about to start this thing, and it is going to change the face of this man, because with a full race system on the GT3RS, it is the best sounding thing your ears will ever hear. So let's finish this up and fire it up. Install is all complete, sounds amazing. So now we're gonna take this GT3RS out and hit the roads and see how it sounds under low throttle driving through the hills, because this thing is going to be so fun to watch and hear as we rip through the mountain roads. So time to fire it back up.